Welcome, boys and girls, to Story Time. It's story time. Welcome to Story Corner. Before we begin, let us sing our story time song. Story time, story time, story time. Story time, story time, story time, story time. When my teacher begins to read, I don't talk or play at all. Oh, I love to listen when it's story time. Oh, story time, story time, story time. It's story time, boys and girls. Now, the title of the story is The Letter L, and it's written by T.Robinson. Once upon a time, in the land of letters, there lived uppercase and lowercase l, and they were best friends. So here we have uppercase L and the lowercase l, and they were best friends. One day, uppercase L went to visit his friend lowercase l. So uppercase L went walking, chop, to find his friend lowercase l, who was always by the lake. So every day, uppercase and the lowercase l would go and play by the lake. They were so happy to see each other. They had fun playing with each other by the lake every day. Uppercase L said to lowercase l, "Let's go play." Lowercase l replied, "Lovely." They love playing every day. Larry the lizard heard them talking. Larry the lizard said, "Hold it there. Every day you two play by the lake. I have an excellent game I want you two to play." Larry Lizard said, "You are going to go hunting today. I want you to go hunting for some words or objects that begin with the L sound." "Great idea," they both replied. The person who found the most objects that begin with the L sound would be the winner, and that person would ride in a limousine all the way to London. So the winner would get a ride in a limousine all the way to London. They were happy and excited because they wanted to go to London in the long limousine. So Larry the lizard got them on the mark and on the set, and they were ready to go. So Larry the lizard said, "On your mark, on your set, low!" And the race began. They were on the track searching for some objects that begin with the L sound. Uppercase L found a leaf. Lowercase l found a lollipop and a lamp. Now, lowercase l was in the lead. So Larry the lizard said, "Oh, yes, it looks like lowercase l is in the lead with a lollipop and a lamp. Oh, uppercase l is behind with a leaf." And they were off running and trying to find objects that begin with the L sound. No, wait a bit. It seems like something is happening. Lowercase l has only two objects, but uppercase L found four objects. I wonder who the winner would be. So they were off trying to get some objects that begin with the L sound. Larry the lizard said, "Oh, we are at the end of the race. And the winner is uppercase L." And uppercase L won for himself a ride in a long limousine to London. To London. And guess what? Uppercase L said, "Oh no, I'm not going by myself. I need my friend lowercase l to go along with me." So he took along his friend lowercase l. So uppercase L and lowercase l went to London. And guess what they found that got them to London? They found a lollipop. They also found a lamp. They also found a lettuce, a light, a lotion, and all those objects begin with the L sound. All those objects begin with the L sound. So both of them went to London in their long limousine and they lived happily ever after. The end. Give it up for uppercase and lowercase l. And they are best friends forever. So this made the sound l. They were so excited that they are friends forever. Give yourself a big clap, boys and girls. Thank you all for listening.